introduce about favorite writer. Do you know? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. What was your home task?
Project, my favorite book.
My favorite book. What book have you read? Now please wake and chain please. Now this group. You must write about your favorite book, favorite actor. Write down here please. And the draw. You must write, draw.
My favorite book is Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a series of 7 fantastic novels written by British author J.K. Rowling. The novels chronicle the lives of a young wizard, Harry Potter, and his friends Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley, all of whom are students at Hogwarts School of.
My favorite book and comics film Marvel. Tom Holland, Doctor Strange, Tony Stark, take photo Marvel. They are very strong.
My favorite drama and book for YouTube. This drama is about the girl has on her face signs that everyone makes fun of him. The girl has her face with makeup and moves to another school. And a letter. We have a book in the Harry Potter. The book very good. He took.
Now continue please.
Harry Potter is Hogwarts, pets and magic.
Okay, thank you. Now.
My favorite book is Netflix Files book. My name is Kojan. It was people in 1957. Special praise at the
Story do you know?
I know a love story.
Love story?
I love
About? Be quick.
about a comedy.
Comedy, love stories, and then travel story.
And my favorite is a love story.
Love story.
And
So why do you like this story? Why do you like it?
I like travel diary because
What kind of story do you like? What kind of story do you
I
like?
like a travel diary because I like to travel.
I like to travel. Thank you. Now what about you?
I like comedy because it's funny.
Funny, very well.
I like love stories and travel stories.
Why do you like it?
I like in the travel.
I like to travel. Yes, thank you. Very well. Now what about Ayep? The lesson?
Yes, we do.
Now, the next lesson we will write SO Unit 6. Now, okay, all of you stand up. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye.